And if
Yep.
unification and coming together isn't the most important thing that we're missing in this country today, I don't know what is.
Yeah, you know, it's interesting, and that's a great point that you made. When I was in Kansas City, we had the opportunity to have the great George Brett, Hall of Famer, come and speak to our team. And one thing I took away from it, obviously, I've experienced that just in my life, because my dad would always say, like, look, you guys can fuss and fight inside our house, but when you leave outside this house, you're representing the Richardson name. And he would tell us, like, as a kid, like, don't ever do anything to disrespect the name. And then George Brett, he came in when I was with the Chiefs, and he said, whenever you get to the point to where the name on the front of the jersey means more than the name on the back of the jersey, nobody can stop you. And I've always taken that analogy and I use it in sports. I talk to kids and different things like that, because all of a sudden, when I care more about the Kansas City Chiefs versus Richardson in the back, no one can stop you, because then, like you said, you lay everything else down. And I look at that analogy as my dad. Like, you know, the greatest thing I ever wanted to do with my dad was I would get up super early in the morning just to see him put his uniform on. My dad was highly decorated. His uniform, his boots was always clean. His uniform was spotless. And he did it every single day. And I'm thinking, like, you know, I see my dad serving our country and never complained. Never said, oh man, you know, I'm tired today. I don't think I'm going to get up at 3 or 4 in the morning and go serve our country. Never complained for, you know, 32 years. So how can I, as a son, not take care of the little things or not do everything I can to try to make him proud? And so that's, you know, that's a great point when you just think about